This is the place where I spend my most of the time. Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My Hot English. Today is day 51 of my English speaking challenge and today I am going to share with you about my room. My room is a very simple room. Simple room. You can see that on the wall there is a pink color on my room. So my room has like my in my room I have a sofa, I have a cooler because there is too much hot, so that's why I have a cooler and along with this there is a kitchen and in my room I also have a yoga mat for my yoga and my bed. And right now in my room, there are no study table, no chairs, but still in this room, I spend my most of the time when I got when I free, I spend my most of the time on the sofa or on the ground because I I feel it is good for me. So I don't think so. Right now, I need a study table for study. I can I can study on my sofa, and my room size area is quite bigger, and it is very comfortable place. And this room, I feel like here peaceful environment is present in this room. Recently, I take this room for rent for my staying purpose, and it is in Noida Central City. So basically, my room is very cool. And after some time, I will decorate my room for my video recording. Like right now, I am practicing English and I just record my I recorded to random place at which place I am practicing I am recording. But after some times I will decorate my room for the purpose so that my rooms look so cool and good. After that I will record my video and practice lot of things related to English in my room. And it will help me to improve myself and it will also motivate me to uh, do practice as much you can do. So that's it about my room. And today I learned two new words: consistency and discipline. The meaning of consistency is doing something regularly without stopping, and meaning of discipline is to control yourself. And so I learned these two new words for my vocabulary purpose. And if you want to if you want to read this thing, what is important, you can say that, or I can say that I practice English with my consistency and um, discipline. Or I can say that I am disciplined in my English practice. And that's it for today, guys. See you guys in next video.